Does this sound like you? Are your drawers overflowing? Do you have clothes on the floor? Do you have laundry baskets everywhere? Do you have items that you are having a hard time parting with? We're here to help you today to get organized with your closet cleanse. Hi, I'm Lisa Babineau from Twice as Nice, and I help you dress on your mood, shape, and intentions for less. Today we're going to talk about closet cleanse and why everybody needs to do them. I'd like to introduce Sherry, closet stylist with Twice as Nice. Are you someone who wakes up in the morning and feels overwhelmed the minute you take a step inside your closet because you either have things everywhere or things not folded properly, drawers not closing properly, maybe laundry baskets all over your floor? Sometimes that's what sets our day up and makes us a little bit flustered. Here are some tips that we would like to share with you about doing a closet cleanse. You want to, tip number one, create zones. And how you do that is by placing your items seasonally or by garment.
So one of the reasons you want to keep your outfits together in your closet is to help with your morning routine. Waking up every morning, doing your hair and makeup, and then just going to your very own boutique in your closet makes your morning run that much more smoother. You want to be able to walk into your closet and know, is this business casual today? An everyday trip to the grocery store? It just kind of helps visualize your closet so that it's not a no-brainer when you're trying to get dressed for the day. When you're hanging your pants in your closet, whether it be slacks, jeans, even leggings, you're going to want to hang them on your hanger so that the top is widthwise, and then you can fold the legs up. So that way you always know the way your pants are going to fit your body. If they're a skinny leg or a wide trouser leg, instead of hanging them the traditional way, which is leg over the middle rod, you can then pick the rest of your outfit, your top, your jewelry, your boots, your shoes, whichever.
Another tip is not to hang your sweaters or wool items.
Hanging your knits is never really a good idea because you don't want to stretch out the garment. Folding them and placing them in a drawer or above your closet neatly, you're still going to have that visual, you're still going to know it's a knit because the rest of your items are going to be hung. Why you don't want to hang a knit over a hanger is it's going to stretch out the shoulders, it's going to even make it pill a little bit, and that just ages our clothing, which none of us want.
Another really good idea is to hang all of your items facing the same direction.
Hanging everything the same direction is just another key element to organizing your wardrobe. If if hangers are backwards, if things are facing the wrong way, it's just a mess. And every morning we just need everything to run as smoothly as possible, including the condition of our closets.
You should actually be setting your closet up the way your body is. So your bottom, your jeans, your pants and everything on the bottom, and your tops and everything on the top.
Keeping outfits together with tops being on top, bottoms being on bottom can help with selecting your wardrobe for the day. You're going to want to start with your top, add a pant, pick your boot or shoe, add some accessories, some jewelry, and go from there. If it's kind of all over the place, you're just kind of picking the same comfort zone items. Having 30 separate items in our closet isn't helpful if we're only wearing the same 3.
And that helps you visualize how you're going to dress and feel for that day. Thanks for watching. I'm Lisa Babineau from Twice as Nice. Please like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, it doesn't have to be new to be awesome.